How to fix ChatGPT error, unusual activity detected. So if you want to fix ChatGPT error, unusual activity detected, then what you need to do is first you need to make sure that you have a stable internet connection. You need to check your Wi-Fi or your mobile data if it's working properly or not. Once you've checked your mobile data or your Wi-Fi, the next thing you need to do is open up your settings, go with VPN and check your VPN services. If you've turned on any VPN services, then you just need to simply go and disconnect it or turn off your VPN. After turning off, your problem might be fixed. Once you've done that, you need to go back, find the ChatGPT application, tap and hold on to your ChatGPT, and then go with the app info section. Once you're on your app info, you need to go with storage and cache, and then go with clear cache, which will be on the right side. After clearing your cache, your problem might be fixed. If that doesn't fix your problem, then the next thing you need to do is you need to open up your Play Store, and here you need to search for ChatGPT. And after searching, you need to just simply go with update if you have any updates, and after updating, the problem will be fixed. That's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.